Tired of links always opening in Edge or another browser when you rather use Google Chrome? Making Chrome your default browser is quick, easy, and gives you a smoother browsing experience every time you click a link. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on a Windows PC. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Click on your Windows Start button, then click on Settings. On the left column, click on Apps. Then search for Default Apps. Under the heading Set Defaults for Applications, search for Google Chrome. At the top, there's an option Make Google Chrome your default browser. You can also set default file types or link types for different file extensions to open up with your Google Chrome as your default. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye-bye.